Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? I know it's been a minute since I posted, and sorry if the camera looks kind of dirty, because I don't have the camera. I'm using my phone again, but I got big moves right now coming up. Got a lot of stuff, but we're back to working on this turd. So basically what had happened, the reason I haven't been driving it is because I had cracked cylinders on the block. And mind you, the people that had everyone that had this car before me was beating the shit out of it. Nobody maintained the car, no oil changes, no nothing. So that's why I haven't driven it. I put it away because I was gonna start painting and doing all the body work. But once I took the car apart, I noticed that there was cracks. So I got another block for $100. Got it cleaned, got it honed. So everything's running good right now. I use the same head, and now it runs pretty strong. The only thing that I'm missing right now is my radiator, because I let my cousin use it, and I sold the SIs because I needed money. But I picked these up off of a friend. Good looks, Damien. These are gonna go on the EJ right now, and we're gonna bring it inside to do a little bit of work on it. As for the EM2 is running mint, running real strong. Everything's looking really good. I got a lot of parts coming in. I got a lot of plans for that car. Same thing with the EG. And actually, I'm not gonna tell you what car it is, but I had another build coming. Coming. Because I already got the car, but I haven't done anything to it. It's got a little stupid problem, but it's real rear wheel drive. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it yet. I think I might make it a drift build, but I don't know yet, because it's a dope car. I wouldn't want to crash it, because I know I'm gonna fuck it up if I start drifting or some shit. But we'll see. Regardless, I still want to drift, even if it's just to do fucking donuts somewhere. I don't know, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'll make another video on it another time. Just know it's rear wheel drive. It's standard, and it's old, but it's gonna be dope. All right, before I move Becky, that's her name, Becky, we've got to move all of these cars to get out. So what I'm gonna do first is, like I said, throw on the wheels, take off the jack stands, drop it, move all of this, throw this bitch inside.
Silky beat.
All right, so the LSs are on. This car sits a lot lower. Holy fuck, the tires that I had on the SIs were huge. All right, basically we got the wheels on, now we just gotta move everything else. And then we're golden. Damn, dude. It's been so long since I've done this. Alright guys, so I just brought her inside. Dude, I can't even explain to you how much I miss this damn car, man. Like, so much. Like, I almost stalled out. That's how long it's been since I've even turned this bitch on. After I threw in the motor, or the block, should I say, it's just been sitting. I haven't even turned it on. I turned it on one time. It was sputtering like crazy, but I got it to start. But I just fixed that. Well, the sputtering issue was what's that shit called? Fuel pressure regulator. So I fixed that. So now she's running good. Now all I need is to get my radiator and my battery back. The battery, I put it in a different car because I had to start it. My radiator, I gave it to my cousin so that he can move his car around because this was pretty much sitting because of how it was. But I'm telling you, this is going to be like a full-on drag car. Now that I have the EM2 that's pretty much my daily, this I can do whatever I want to it without worrying about anything. So if it breaks, just park it. Simple. This used to be my daily, so I didn't really want to do too much to it, motor-wise. But what we're gonna do now is like go crazy with it. So we're gonna clean this up, right? And we're gonna gut it because this car is gonna be fully gutted. Everything's coming out, or at least most of it, like semi-gutted, I guess. Then after, we're just gonna clean her up, take off certain things that I'm not gonna use anymore. Like this strut bar is coming off because I got a new one, or I'm ordering a new one, should I say. These headers are probably gonna go eventually. I'm not sure, because I might get a different pair. But let's just go into this full force. Let's get all this shit out of here. Alright guys, so I cleaned out the car. Everything's out of it. The carpets are on the floor. All the dirtiness and stuff is out of the back with all the stuff. Everything's up here. Nothing's in the trunk. But I found this box. And in this box, there were corner lights. The corner lights that I tried to put on a long time ago. And so I gave it one more try. I was like, let me see if they fit, if it looks good. So I tried them on, and let me just show you guys. I don't know about you guys, but that looks pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. I was tweaking the first time. So the tabs were kind of like off. So I had to take screws from my screw box. And I just made my own brand new hole so that they could just sit nice. They're solid, they're in there. They're not like the old ones that were shaking, and it's good. But those are on, everything's out. So what we're gonna do now is take out the passenger seat, take out the rear seats, take out that speaker, it'll focus, that speaker, and then those two other speakers, all of that's coming out. And I'm debating if I'm gonna take out these panels off of the sides. We'll get there when we get there. Alright, so after a couple minutes, back seat's out, front seat's out. I'm gonna clean all of this. And you know what, I'm thinking I'm just gonna say fuck it and take all of this shit off. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off, fuck it. Let's see how it looks. Oh shit, I didn't know it came off that easy. Alright guys, so I got pretty far. The seats are out, I still haven't cleaned anything. Everything in the back is taken out. I know it looks really, really shitty right now, but my plan is to paint the whole inside of this black, fix whatever needs to be fixed. Like that being cut up there, I'm just gonna make a plate because that's what I was originally gonna do. I was gonna cut that out anyways, but they did it already. I'm gonna make a plate from back there that folds and comes down, so it looks at least a little nicer. Paint it black. The door panels are also coming off as well. I think, not 100% sure yet, but I think I might just do it because these door cards are kind of like, or door panels are kind of shit. So yeah, do sheets of metal, put it on the door, drill them in, put the handle, all the buttons, all the gadgets and shit, paint it black. Everything inside is gonna be black. This is gonna be painted black. A lot is gonna change into this car, and it's gonna look kind of crazy for a little bit, but you gotta start somewhere, you know. It's gotta look ugly before it's beautiful. But right now, I think what I'm gonna leave it off with is cleaning the inside, vacuuming and everything. And my man Ernie hooked it up. I'm getting rid of the Integra seats because he wants them for his El Camino. He doesn't like the bucket seats. So I'm getting leather bucket seats. So that's a plus. And I think I might just throw them in. If I throw those in, I don't think I'm going to get rid of the door cards. but I'm not sure yet. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, you could definitely say that I did a lot today. Took a lot of shit out. And there's still more shit that I have to take out that I'm probably not gonna do today. I'm already tired. I'm just trying to help Ernie with his car, painting it. But like I said, I'm just gonna vacuum it now, clean it up, put a seat back in, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but all of this shit's going to go. And see how clean it gets inside. As you guys can see, clean the interior. Dude, this interior looks really good. Well, not the interior, but the carpet itself. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and clean up the rest of all of this, and probably, I don't know yet. I'm probably just gonna spray it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow. We'll figure something out. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but all of that's gotta get cleaned. I'm gonna start making the sheet metal for up there, and I'm debating if I'm gonna do the door cards or not, because if that tough stuff cleaned my carpets, I can only imagine what it's gonna do to the doors. And yeah, guys. So not only did I gut the car, I cleaned it a little. It looks pretty decent. It's pretty good. But there's still more weight that I'm trying to take out of the car. That's why I want to take off these door panels. I want to cut the trunk up to take out most of that weight out. Cut up the hood a little bit underneath. Take out some of the skeleton to make it even lighter. And just figuring out other ways to take out weight without taking the sunroof. That's one thing I don't want to take off. I love the sunroof, dude. But I think that's it for today's video. But guys, I can't end it yet, man. I can't end it, man. Son, look at how good that shit looks, bro. That shit looks fire, bro. With the LS webs, bro. Yo, that shit is fire. Bro, my shit's dripping, bro. That shit is, man. Post it up, man. Hold up. I have to take a couple pictures, man. That shit look crazy. But, yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. And, guys, we're almost at 200 subscribers, guys. Just a couple more subscribers and we'll get there. Matter of fact, I'll do this deal. If I get 200 subscribers by New Year's, I'll show you guys the new car that I got, the new build. Because it should be here, I want to say maybe the weekend coming up or maybe Christmas Eve. I don't know yet, but it'll be up here and I'll show you guys. But thanks for watching the videos, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys for everything, and just keep watching the videos. Like, share, and comment. Follow me on Instagram. You can see all the latest things I've done and what I'm doing throughout my day. But thanks for watching, guys. Later.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you.